Hey everyone, it's Andrew here with Rome Dumpster Rentals, and today we are headed out to Harrisonburg, Virginia. We're picking up a dumpster from a roofing project that we just did. This customer needed a reliable dumpster rental for their job. We made the process quick, easy, and hassle-free for them. Come along with us.
Our hook lift system makes pickup smooth and efficient, and as always, we ensure a clean and professional service. Whether you're working on a roofing project, home renovation, or a big clean out, we've got you covered.
Need a dumpster for your next project? Well, our website makes it super easy. Just visit us at harrisonburgdumpster.com to book online, or give us a call at 540-383-7561, and we'll take care of the rest. That's another job well done. If you need a dumpster rental in the Shenandoah Valley, you know who to call. Rome Dumpster Rentals, where service meets reliability.
We pride ourselves on fast, reliable service with the best prices in the area. Whether you're in Harrisonburg, Staunton, or Waynesboro, we're here to help you let your junk roam away.